This video is for a 2-inch Template 5 mini flower, so you're going to stack them by size. And I'm going to take all three, and we're going to use a thinner dowel rod or something smooth. Place it down in the middle of the petal, thumb on top, index finger underneath, pinch it up and roll it. Thumb, index finger, so that's holding the dowel rod in place, and then with my other hand I'm pinching up with my thumb and rolling it on my index finger. Okay, so now we're going to switch to a smaller dowel rod for the next two petals. Keep them stacked. Down in the middle, pinch and roll. And then to our smallest petals. These are just 1 inch. So the 2-inch on flower is good for smaller projects such as magnets, wreaths if you need a filler. And with the smaller one, you can basically just pinch it up. So we're going to use a smaller metal ball stylus. So they come in a pack of 4. You'll see them in the pink and the blue color. And I do offer them in my Etsy shop. So we're going to lay out the first 3. So the very first one, I never roll the center because, again, I'm not sure where I'm going to use it, and if it's on a magnet or something, I need it to be a lot more flatter to glue it on. If you're stemming it, you could roll the center. So the first one we're going to leave flat. The second one we're going to roll and roll just a little bit less. So this one will be our first one. So the more you roll, the more the petals are going to lift up off the ground or table. Place it in between the petals of the previous layer, so just try and go straight down in the center. Add some glue, look for a petal, and place it in between so you can line it up with layer 1 now. And press. Okay, so I kind of keep rotating them. So we're going to take one, and we're going to roll it with our smallest metal ball stylus. And then I'm just putting them one in front of the other. Adding a little glue. And we're going to glue it here in the center. So look for a petal and just place it in between. So try and go straight down. You just have a second or two to get it before the glue dries. Okay. Now we're going to take our littler ones, and we're going to work from the inside out. We're going to roll them. And we're going to fold them up, one in front of the other. Twist it a little so it almost looks like a rosebud. Add a touch of glue, a little dab. Place it in between, so look for a petal and try and place it in between. I know it's hard, it's super small. Do the best you can. So then it should look like that. Lift up the petals around, one in front of the other. And then they fold up almost like a rosebud again. Twist a little. Add your glue. Place it in between. And now it looks like that. And again, do the same process, fold up and around. So it's 3 of the smaller ones. But you can make any size flower. I always just like to give the option of a 2-inch because I use them a lot on my smaller projects. Look for a petal and place it in between. Fold up your petals around it, one in front of the other. They should automatically almost overlap. Add your glue. We're going to look for a petal and place it in between. And there's our 2-inch flower. Super cute. So you could do multiple colors, ombre, whichever you prefer. So have some fun and be creative.